So what exactly is AI? AI stands for artificial intelligence, basically, machines that can think, learn, and make decisions like humans. Think of AI like a digital brain. It doesn't sleep, doesn't get tired, and it's learning every second. We already use AI every day. Google Maps giving real-time traffic updates. ChatGPT answering your questions, smiley face emoji. Face ID unlocking your phone. All of that is AI at work. But how does AI actually learn? Imagine teaching a small child to recognize an apple. You show them hundreds of apples, and soon they recognize one instantly. That's how AI learns too, using data and examples. This is called machine learning, a branch of AI. AI models are trained using tons of data, pictures, texts, voice, and then they start recognizing patterns. The more data you feed, the smarter it gets. Just like us, practice makes perfect. Now let's talk about how you can build AI. To get started with AI development, you need a few tools. Brain emoji, programming languages like Python. Bar chart emoji, libraries like TensorFlow, Scikit-learn, PyTorch. Toolbox emoji, platforms like Google Colab or Jupyter Notebook. Even if you're a beginner, no worries. These tools are made super friendly. And trust me, once you build your first AI project, you'll feel like Tony Stark. Let me give you a real example. You can build a spam email detector using Python. You'll feed it emails, mark some as spam, some as not, and train it. Next time a new email comes in, your AI will predict, spam or not spam. That's how smart systems are built. Small steps, big impact. Start with basics, and soon you'll be building chatbots, voice assistants, or even AI art generators. In 2025 and beyond, AI isn't optional, it's the future. From jobs to health, entertainment to education, AI is changing everything. And you have the chance to be a part of it. Learn it, use it, and maybe, create the next breakthrough AI app. If you enjoyed this animated guide, smash that like button. Comment below if you want a full beginner AI course. And don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell icon, bell emoji, because amazing videos like this are coming every week. Thanks for watching, and welcome to the world of AI.